Hey, how's it going? I'm Jerome from Malaga, and I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious sauce today. It's one of the things we make for family meal all the time, and you guys always DM us about it, so get ready. So I'm going to teach you how to make a creamy tomato sauce from scratch, and I'm going to be using it with pasta, and I'm going to throw some shrimp in there. So what you're going to need for this sauce is onions, tomatoes, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, everyday spice blend, which is salt, cumin, black pepper, a little bit of sugar, and chili powder, but the chili powder is optional. Tomato paste, Parmesan cheese, butter, heavy cream, and some fresh basil and parsley. For the full recipe, follow the link below. So the pasta we're using today is Pappardelle, and whatever pasta you're using, just cook it as directed on the bag. So you're gonna set your saute pan to medium high. As soon as it gets hot, you're gonna coat it with some oil, about a quarter cup. And we're gonna let that get hot, and then we're gonna throw our onions in. So now we're gonna dump our onions in. Hear that nice sizzle. I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. As soon as you start seeing that they're transparent, you know they're ready to go. Next, we're going to add our garlic. Now I'm going to add sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to add in my spices. And remember, I put chili in this because I like food with a little bit of kick to it, but please just, don't hesitate to remove it completely from the spice blend. You still have the black pepper in there for that flavor and those aromatics. So we're gonna add some shrimp. And you can add whatever you want. If you want chicken or a bunch of veggies, you can just cut up a bunch of veggies and add it. You can see this shrimp is already starting to cook. I'm gonna add my tomato paste, which is a major component of this sauce. You're just gonna stir that in. So I'm going to add my heavy cream. And my butter. So to finish it off, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. You don't have to put too much because you could always put more when you're actually eating the pasta. And then your fresh herbs, your basil and your parsley. I followed the exact recipe, everything was measured, but taste it. As you're cooking, taste it for salt, taste it for whatever flavor you're looking for. This sauce looks great, so I'm gonna add in my pappardelle. And I would recommend using something like linguine, fettuccine, pappardelle, something long, but you can do whatever you want. That's the beautiful part about cooking. You can, it's all about being creative and cooking what you like. So you can see this pasta is delicious. All right, it's the moment of truth. Right? This is it. This is perfect. Camera guy, you gotta try this. Give me a second. Hanzo, take this. How is it?
Honestly, really good. Honestly, really good.
Welcome to Family Meal.